Hey guys, it's Justine, and inside of this box is TEMI. This is a personal robot that I saw at CES this year. This is one of the world's first personal robots with autonomous mobility and navigation with Amazon Alexa built in. This is super exciting because we had so much fun checking this out at CES, and I'm kind of in shock right now that it is in my living room. So we're gonna unbox TEMI, and we're gonna test it out. Okay, TEMI, I hope you're ready for fun. I mean, this is life-changing. This is like unboxing a friend. Thanks to TEMI for sponsoring this video. There's a link in the description with more info. TEMI is inside. TEMI, Mommy's here. Oh no, Maddie. Maddie, no, I'm Mommy. Come here, what's this? I know I'm your mommy too. Maddie, this is, inside of here is a robot. It's a personal robot. So it's gonna be using AI, and it has 16 different cameras and different sensors so that it will notice if you're around so it won't run into you. I think this is it. TEMI is here. Come on, TEMI, out you go. This is one of my favorite things, is the little tray. It also doubles as a wireless charger, so I think that TEMI is going to follow me around the house charging my phone. And it's Qi wireless charging, so like anything that is Qi wireless compatible, TEMI will be able to charge it for you. So this is TEMI's little charging base, which is great because TEMI just goes home on its own to charge itself whenever you're not using it. Okay, that looks good. Let's try that. Daddy is gonna be absolutely terrified by TEMI, I know it. TEMI, your eyes, let me help you. Hello! Hello? Hello, TEMI? So TEMI has a 10-inch full HD screen, and it is saying hello to me. Place the home base level on a surface, flat against the wall, plug it into power, place TEMI on the home base. Okay. Let's go to your home. Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Hey there, you new robot owner. This is TEMI, the world's first truly interactive assistant. You can ask TEMI to follow you around, or you can send TEMI to any of your favorite locations, and he'll go there, all by himself, easily avoiding any obstacle. TEMI is stacked full of goodies, like high-definition speakers for enjoying music.
It sounds really good.
A wireless charging tray.
Yes, the wireless charging tray, I have that.
Okay, you're all set. Let's start.
Hey, TEMI, what are you doing?
We are having a pleasant human-to-robot conversation.
I agree. Let's see if TEMI can play me some music.
Welcome to the land of fame excess.
TEMI is now following me around, and TEMI also only has 10% battery, so TEMI, go home. This is a real test. 10%, TEMI. So I definitely gave TEMI a struggle because there is a ridge where I placed the home base. That was a cruel trick that I played on you, TEMI. I'm so sorry, I'm gonna have to move it. Oh, it worked! I even gave TEMI a challenge, and TEMI prevailed. So I guess I'll let TEMI completely charge, and then we'll see what else it can do. TEMI is all charged. This is day 2. I let it charge yesterday so that it would get a nice full charge today. So let's follow me. Hi. Oh boy, it's calculating right now. So there's a little button up here, so as soon as you press it, it automatically activates follow mode. Hey TEMI, set this location as couch number 1.
Okay, saving location. I successfully saved a couch location.
Hey TEMI, set location as living room.
I successfully saved a living room location.
Hey TEMI, set location, steps.
I successfully saved the steps location.
So there's two different ways that you can set different locations. You can say it verbally, or you can just press this little button right here, which I'll show you guys. You can press right here and set as new location. So we're gonna set this as kitchen.
I successfully saved the kitchen location.
So I have a few locations set. You can see I have kitchen, steps, living room, couch. So I can either tell TEMI to go to one of these, or I can just press where I want it to go. So let's go to the couch. It's going to the couch. It's going to the couch. Okay, that's pretty cool. Go to the kitchen. Boy, I sure could use a banana as a snack. Hey, TEMI, go to entrance. Oh my gosh. Bring me my banana. Hey, TEMI, take a video.
Okay, get ready.
TEMI just brought me this banana. I can't believe it. Everything is awesome. Wow. One of the cool things though is you can actually call into TEMI. So say I'm out of town or I'm somewhere else, I could call into TEMI and have it navigate around my house in some of the preset locations. So let's try that. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna call into TEMI and tell TEMI to go places. Okay. TEMI! Oh my gosh, tap a point of interest to put it in the center. Okay, I'm gonna tap on Tyler. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. You could also do free driving. I can drive this thing around my house. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go to a saved location. Okay, I'm gonna go to the living room. This is incredible. I can go to any, look, I'm gonna go to Tyler over there. Here we go. This is so cool. Okay, I am definitely sold. This is amazing. Like, I can walk around my house and I'm not even there. I could be around the world. This was by far just such a surreal experience. I can't believe this. I could have been calling in from around the world and controlling my robot at my home. I wasn't even here. I could have had it make sure that I unplugged something. Maybe I wanted to make sure that the couch was still here, so you could just know, just in case. So this is TEMI. This is a new, friendly, fun addition to my home. This is really cool because the future is gonna be so incredible. I mean, the future is actually here. I mean, this is something that I feel like I just would have dreamed up when I was a child, to have my own personal robot following me around. It's also really great because this is an open SDK, so developers are able to build on top of this. So basically any ideas that you could potentially have, they can build it. Anyway, I'm gonna send TEMI back to its home base and get charged up. Give me my phone, give me my banana. Oh gosh, oh, I should have taken a selfie with TEMI. Oh, TEMI looks so cute. Okay, got my selfie. See you guys later.